Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Credit Karma app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Credit Karma app, and now once you open it, you will be able to see the interface of the Credit Karma apps on the screen. So now you can see there is a two option in here. First one is login and another one is sign up. So let's tap on the login button and you will be redirected to the login page of the Credit Karma, where you can see it is asking us for our email address and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the login and you will be able to log in successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your login password, then just tap on the I need help on in the screen, and you will be able to log in successfully once you verify yourself. And if you don't have any kind of account in the Credit Karma, then just tap on the sign up and you will be able to create your account, and you can come in here and you will be able to log in from here successfully. So basically this is how, and these are the ways to log in. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.